Do subscribe to Rajshri Food and click on the bell icon for more updates on our recipes. Hi and welcome to Rajshri Food. This is Nupur and today we are going to make 3 variants of vegan milk. As I always say, you don't have to be a vegan to try these recipes. You can have this if you're not liking milk, if your children do not like milk, and if you're looking for an option which is as nutritious as milk, if not more. And by the way, this is really yummy. So let's begin with almond milk. So here I have half a cup of almonds which have been soaked overnight. I'm going to put them in my jar. To this I'm going to add 2 cups of water. The ratio of nut to water is 1:4. Now I'm going to add a sweetener to this because I want to make it a little sweet. I'm adding 5 dates as sweetener. And I'm going to add a little bit of flavor to this. I'm going to add some vanilla extract. All we need to do now is grind it. Now all we need to do is strain this. Use a thick sieve so you get a nice thick creamy milk. And so our almond milk is ready. Let's move to the next one, which is cashew milk. For cashew milk, I have taken half a cup of cashew which I have soaked overnight. Let's put this in the jar. Again, 1:4 of proportion of water and nut. So I'm adding 2 cups of water. Now, instead of honey, I'm going to add maple syrup. Honey is not considered a vegan product by many because honey is again a product that animals make for their own use. So I'm not going to use any honey here. I'm using maple syrup. 2 tablespoons of that. And around half a teaspoon of cinnamon as flavoring for this one. Let's give it a churn. And our cashew milk is ready. There's no need to strain this milk unless you want it to be really smooth. I like it with all its fiber intact. And now let's make our last milk with pumpkin seeds and some pista. So I have 1/4 cup of pumpkin seeds soaked overnight. And here is 1/4 cup of pista again which I have soaked overnight. 2 cups of water. Now as a sweetener, I'm adding some dry dates powder which is called kharek powder here in India. For the flavor, I'm adding a little bit of elaichi powder or cardamom powder and some saffron. Let's churn this. And our pumpkin and pista milk is also ready. Now all we need to do is strain this. So again, use a thick sieve to get maximum fibers and a nice creamy milk. You can make a bigger batch of this milk. It will stay well in the refrigerator for 3 days. Almost everything has passed through and it's done. And with this, the 3 variants of our milk are ready. Again, you can choose a sweetener of your choice. Like my favorite is dates. You can choose yours. You can choose a flavoring of your choice. We've used so many different flavors. You can choose any and you can mix and match the way you want. Do let us have your feedback. Till then, cook right and stay healthy.